Welcome to a short tutorial that will consider a few ways NWT students can collaborate within their regions and beyond. Increasingly, a 21st century person is being described in the research as someone who is able to respond personally and critically to large volumes of information using individual tools that connect the knowledge with other knowledge and with people and organizations for common cause. Schools in the NWT are now beginning to access greater bandwidth, creating more online learning possibilities. A Northern student's classmates could include students from other communities in the region or students from afar. Let's look at just a few of these electronic tools that can help students build collective knowledge with NWT curriculum. You have mail. Whether in the hand or in the inbox, with the right kind of mail, it's still nice to get. Pen pals have been a popular method of teaching communication skills over the years. While electronic mail and messaging are ubiquitous, self-publishing is also trending. There are technologies that make easy the designing of paper products right online, such as postcards and greeting cards, created from students' own digital images and text. A company such as moo.com prints and sends them to you. The point is that students can collaborate by exchanging information through self-published paper products. Most NWT curricula, and especially ELA, have communication components. Literacy with ICT, under Inquiry Component Collaboration, calls for students to collaborate from a distance. One way to collaborate is through a pen pal student network called ePals. Finding a grade 3 pal or classroom in New York, as a recent example, that is studying life in other countries might be a good fit for an NWT grade 3 social studies classroom, studying human rights and personal responsibilities in other global communities. While a grade 6 class in California is studying sustainable animal populations and extinction factors, an NWT grade 6 science class is studying vertebrates and their adaptations to their environments and sustaining habitat. These examples have potential for international collaboration in a network like ePals. Another networking opportunity is with IRN Canada, the International Education Resource Network, self-described as the world's largest non-profit global network. This is a screenshot of their homepage. Here, among many other project possibilities, a student of NWT Aboriginal language and culture can become involved, for example, in myhero.com, developing and communicating their appreciation for grandparents and elders, as called for on page 143 and 175 of Dene Kide, and page 46 of Inuktitut. Another way for students to collaborate is to use Taking It Global. This is a charitable, non-governmental organization started in Canada, focusing on global issues by promoting awareness and engagement among global youth. In the NWT at the Social Studies 10-1-2 level, students discuss the extent that globalization contributes to sustainable prosperity for all people. At the time of this video creation, when using the Taking It Global search tools, the term polar ice caps yields over 970 hits. Aboriginal rights, 14,000. Alberta tar sands, 2,180 hits. Fracking receives 115. Many of those hits are blogs where students grow critical thought about these important issues. When Ward Cunningham, the developer of wiki software, was asked what a wiki is, he described it as the simplest online database that could possibly work. The wiki has placed the medium of online publishing into the hands of the common person by making it easy to create a simple web page where others can build content along with you. In the wiki world, it's called editing. In education, the wiki becomes a wonderful way of collaborating. One of the largest wiki providers, Wikispaces, makes wikis available for free to educators. This is one of many online pages where a wiki website called Flat Planet was developed by two classes wanting to build collective knowledge about environmental issues. One class in Ontario, Canada, the other in New Malden, United Kingdom. This wiki was developed by two math classes wanting to collaborate on all things math, one class in the UK and the other in the US. Here a wiki has been developed to explain what Treaty 6 is all about. Wikis are being used in NWT schools. This one developed in the Beaufort Delta explaining Gwich'in culture. One of the best ways to learn about wikis is to start with what wikis try to improve upon, email. The Wikis in Plain English YouTube video is a popular way to learn about wikis. Also, Googling wikis for teachers will get you started with a few introductory videos. Google Drive, formerly known as Google Docs, is another way to collaborate with others using documents online. This new Google Drive iteration has improved cloud storage features. Video conferencing is now freely possible in NWT schools, since the government owns the video bridge that connects the units, and each school has a video unit. Students in one community can work collaboratively with another through a video link. Imagine seeing another student group or groups in the NWT on your large video screen and making plans to work together, say using a wiki. The video conferencing unit becomes a way to periodically plan, formatively assess, and strengthen working relationships. Also, a specialized class in a larger community could be viewed by students in a smaller community. The video conferencing unit's VGA port makes it especially useful to share files from a laptop screen. Here, teachers from 5 communities work together with headquarters to in-service a curriculum. Some schools are using Skype as a video and screen sharing device to collaborate with others from a distance. This service, born in Estonia and purchased by Microsoft, among other services, make it possible for classrooms to video call each other and even share the work they're conducting on their computer screens. To learn more about Skype for your school, search Skype for Education. You'll find lessons and videos there explaining their service for educators. All the best with your use of ICT to support collaboration from a distance on intractable problems, specialized curricular interests, gaps in research, and even the puzzling human condition. Let's reach out to build collaborative knowledge in the NWT.